Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by combining exact ingredients so the balm sets reliably. Melt 1 tablespoon beeswax with 2 tablespoon carrier oil over low heat in a double boiler. Stir slowly so the wax emulsifies. Once liquefied, add 1 tsp honey or glycerin for moisture and remove from heat. This controls stickiness and helps adhesion. Make sure to note the texture. Thicker oil or too much wax alters firmness. And prepare molds or tins so you can pour immediately. Once done melting, cool slightly so additions disperse evenly. Add 3-6 drops of your chosen essential oil for scent and an optional 1/8 teaspoon of a natural pigment. This ensures color consistency. Stir for 20-30 seconds to prevent separation, then test a pea size amount on your wrist to verify scent strength and temperature. If it feels too soft, reheat briefly and add 1/4 teaspoon beeswax. If too firm, stir in 0.5 teaspoon extra carrier oil. This fine-tunes texture. You finish by pouring the warm mixture into prepared tins or tubes and setting them flat to cool for 30-60 minutes so they solidify uniformly. Once hardened, cap and label each item with ingredients and date for safe use. If the balm becomes grainy or separated, remelt gently and strain through fine mesh to combine. If it feels oily later, remelt and add 1/8 to 1/4 teaspoon of beeswax to restore body. Make sure to test each batch briefly before gifting or selling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.